Which of these famous inventions originated in China?
Oh my god, I need to get this one right or I'm gonna get canceled. Okay.
Gunpowder for sure.
Fireworks isn't even on here, and that's the only one I know.
Well, I mean, that's gunpowder. Okay, I think Enna's next.
Oh, fuck you,
Okay.
Fulgur. God damn it.
I know, I
That's the
stole
only
the
one I
obvious one.
Oh
Alright.
no,
Okay.
I'm gonna freak. Oh no, I'm scared.
Don't worry, you've got some time. Which one do you like the look of?
No, porcelain.
Porcelain. Nice, you got
Oh,
it.
thank God.
I don't know any of the rest of these either. Okay, Pomu, your go.
Okay.
Ooh.
Deep drilling.
Deep drilling, you got it. That sounds. Hey, you got it. I didn't know that.
Fuck.
And Enna, this is your round. Which one is it?
Alright, okay, okay, what's that seismograph?
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 I think that's something that measures.
Oh,
yeah. That's you, yeah, I knew that.
I think that measures
no.
earthquakes and the movements of the ground.
Exactly,
Yeah.
we don't measure earthquakes, please.
I think
You
paper
literally
making?
picked it.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, because I know the answer.
Fish, your go.
What the fuck are these? Oh fuck. Compass.
Compass. Nice.
Yeah.
Damn, we haven't missed one yet.
Um.
Okay, Pomu's turn.
Okay. Aqueducts.
Aqueducts, got ya. I think that comes from It comes from Italian, so I think that was Greek or Roman.
Fuck you! Why didn't you tell me?
I get to tell you afterwards. I know trivia. Enna, what do you think?
Concrete, because we had a lot of those.
Concrete. No.
What?
Apparently
Okay.
not.
Oh my god, of course, it's
Cancel
the
her.
Americans who made that.
Cancel her.
They
I
will
mean,
cheat.
yeah. I think maybe wheelbarrow. I think the lunar calendar, maybe.
Oh,
Nope.
that was a caveman.
Oh,
No,
that
that was a trick
actually
question.
the
We
Babylonians.
don't
I
have
think.
calendars, we look to the moon.
Fair enough. Fish, you'll go.
Okay, try rubber.
Rubber. No. Steel smelting and wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow was the other one I thought. Damn.
Wait, wheelbarrow?
Damn.
I thought the
Oh my
wheelbarrow was
god,
a
because
caveman.
we used to use wheelbarrows to transfer rice and shit.
Say really as if you were there.
My past life.
We don't know how
Yeah.
old Enna is, to be fair.
That's fair.
Exactly.
Never looked into the law. Okay, this is gonna be yours.